this is Ted from Flexiana. In this small programming video, the Frankie Connect team are tackling an issue they had with page redirections. Check it out.
Okay, this is the ticket we are gonna look now. MC85. After click done button, the page my progress should be shown.
What happens currently when you click done?
Perfect.
Shows...
So the current situation is, let me go to McDonald's, or I can do like the whole process, creating a new candidate maybe.
Okay.
Or yeah, for first I'm just gonna log in as a candidate, login successful. Okay, I think this let us know is the same issue, right? But we are gonna to worry about the done. But when we click the action button, I think this applies actually to all action buttons, the page gets broken, and the URL probably we are gonna have to fix that. What we would like to see when we click the action button, we would like to go to this page, my progress page, and see it correct.
Was Mary the candidate's name?
Yes.
I'm curious why it was just saying Mary exclamation mark.
Yeah, I created this Mary candidate.
Okay.
But okay, if it's okay for you waiting 1 minute, I'm just gonna create a new candidate to do the done button. We can call him, I don't know, Will. Closure script, 5 years. Will and Flexiana.com. Okay, we move to contacted. Create a page in McDonald's. Logout's not merged yet, so I'm gonna close this and also close McDonald's. Oh, I could just go to login actually.
Yes.
Executing schedule actions. Believe it has worked. I can now log in as Will. Looking successful. Okay, perfect. We can show the problem with the done, but it's the same with let us know. So probably we can start thinking how to solve that. Okay.
Just click on it and see.
Okay, if we click on done, the page gets
broken page. Yeah.
I have written a few things, not too much actually. But Haku, do we want to? I don't know. I think we can discuss some strategy before going through.
Well, yes, we can redirect in the interceptor redirection, or with the done button, change the view and make the right calls to the API call. Let's see the code and how we can fix it. For me, the best approach will be change directly the view erase this view, and that's it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I for me it's basically this you have said. Uh, just to show in code, because I have seen something like we have this right routes. When we click done, what happened? We call this API that goes to this controller done. Goes to this controller. So this is the broken page.
Got it.
So yeah, I think something like you said, like redirecting to maybe slash candidate, that is the correct view. But I don't know, for example, if what I thought could be interesting, we click done, we run this, and at the hiccup, we change this view to something like wait a little bit, some temporary, just to say, wait in the redirection, and then we redirect to slash candidate, as you said. But I'm not sure if that makes much sense, or if it's better just redirecting.
Maybe just redirect, and if it shows, if it looks like it's going to be slow, it might be that if you do a redirect, that you never actually get to see anything that you have on the done view. If the redirect happens quickly enough, you won't even notice it. If you do start to notice it, then maybe we need to fill in the gap with a please wait, we're redirecting you to.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But we don't want to solve that problem unless we've got that problem.
Yes, makes sense. Okay, so we can think into this strategy.
Well, I was thinking in change the view directly to my progress view, and add to the request map the missing calls to get the view complete. It makes sense to you?
It does. The only concern I have about this is that we changed our URL when we changed candidate to not, to get these IDs from like post, not get, to make it more secure. So it kind of borrow. Yeah, I don't like those IDs here, you see. But it's gonna be actually, now I'm thinking, the same case is gonna be really fast, right? Because it's gonna be here like for 1 second, and then we redirect to candidate. Yeah, I'm not sure how it's gonna look like this, but yeah, we can.
If you just put the regular page in there instead of the done view, the regular view, if you go back to the code.
You mean if we go to this URL, or if you go to candidates, we should see the same?
If you just go to the candidate.
Yes, this is slash candidate.
Yeah, if you go to the code again, the where the view is, yeah, there, you're adding in the done view and doing the done behaviors. What about if you just add in the candidate view and do the done behaviors? Is that sensible?
That's sensible. Yeah, there are two approaches. The one you just said, Ian, keeping the behavior of done and change the hiccup. But I don't know if you need to do extra API calls, as Jacobo said.
Probably broke it the first time. Can you just down a little the code? No, up. Yeah. All right. No, no, it's okay. It's just I want to see the first one done with comment. Okay. No, no, it's okay.
Okay.
Continue, please.
Okay. And I also just said this is the first approach, just changing this, and maybe it breaks, maybe need to fix. But I also like what Hakubu said about this interceptor, this, what's the, it's not this one, redirector. How can we, I forgot. If you go
Yeah,
to,
that's it, I suppose.
is this redirector?
Yes.
Yeah, but we call it somewhere.
In the core, yeah.
Config. Okay. We call this macint is an interceptor. We call this redirector. So some it. Okay, kind of confused. Where we defined where we want to go, because we have the get API config here. Start the system with that. So at some moment, we call this redirector. Okay, so a sock response. So we need to put like something as a, we need to a sock into state, a redirect.
Yeah, try to look redirect that redirect exactly. Perfect there.
Okay, yeah, this is only here. We
No,
are.
no, it's okay. So in the done function we saw before, we can add this key to the map, to the state, redirect, and a string candidate / candidate.
Mhm.
That will be the way it works. Yeah, just before that function. Yeah.
That's then. Okay, it works here. Okay, so we. This is what we want to. Let me copy all this.
No. Just copy the redirect.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. And a sock hiccup, Don's view. Also, yeah, exactly. And instead of questioner, candidate.
Okay, so it kind of doesn't matter this view, right?
Let's try in this way to see what happens.
Okay. Just to, we don't need this string.
Okay.
Okay. We refresh. Okay, this is the case where Will is already here. But if I send him date station McDonald's, I want to see a done action like this. Okay, cool. So in theory, when we click here, we redirect to candidates. Let's see.
Perfect. It works.
Nice.
Yes, it works. Yeah, I think this is it.
Click
Yeah,
again. to see it.
Okay, so wheel is at working queue on TT. If you click done. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And you don't need an extra view to the transition. Awesome.
Doesn't look like it, does it? That's...
Yeah, just a thought. So we kind of could, I mean, I don't know what. Yeah, just erase it.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's see if it works.
Please.
Yeah, just let's see if it works without the hiccup. Just run here. Okay, this let us know is broken because we work it on done, not let us know. So I will move, update McDonald's. Let's see if it is 1 minute.
Yes, that's it.
Nice eye. Perfect, thanks. Okay, so we don't have a hiccup, just redirection. So if you click done, it changes, doesn't break, and planning tech round. Okay, perfect, awesome. I think this is the most simple solution.
Always go for the most simple.
Yes, please. That's awesome, guys. I think this is it. Actually, we could, I mean, take the time in also working on let us know button since it's the same thing.
Yeah, let's try it and
Okay.
see if the JavaScript message appear.
Yes.
Let's see if it happens. I don't think so it will happen, but who knows?
Let's see.
We can see in the code. I'm sorry for the inaccurate.
No, it's gonna get there. We need so also, but wait. This done with done has this behavior. Done with view has no behavior, but calls.
Can you open the controller behaviors to see it?
Okay. Controller. Sorry, my going to definition is not good.
Working properly?
Yeah. It's something, if I open VS Code in the roots of the project, I think it works, but I kind of have a couple of projects in the same root.
All right.
So I think it gets lost. But okay. So I need to go to controllers behaviors. McDonald's, controllers behaviors. Okay, I have this done. Okay, that's the only behavior I got. So this done with comment. Yes, it does this basically. This is the action.
Okay. these actions, this request map occurs before the redirect interceptor. So probably it doesn't have a problem, but just try it. Add the redirector interceptor.
Perfect. Okay.
But we are not adding the interceptor. We are adding the key to enable that interceptor.
Yes. Yeah. Adding the key to state so interceptor does its job. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do. So we now want to change this.
It's already changed.
It's already. We can retry, right?
Just clicking the let us know button to see what happens.
Yeah, and let me go to you and see these are the history of
Comment.
comments. If you click let us know.
It doesn't show the message, but if you see, probably yeah, it occurs, but doesn't show the message into the
candidates. Like the pop-up, right? The alert.
pop-up. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me. But I think I know why. Yeah, I know why that happens. That alert, it shows up when it finds a done with comment at the URL. So we are redirecting, and in the final URL doesn't have this. It's only candidate. So the alert is not triggered. That's why.
Okay.
How to solve that? I'm not sure yet. But we need to maybe change the logic of the alert. Is not. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, we have different ways to do it, right? We can modify the pop-up to appear after the let us know button is clicked. Or we can create another page without the pop-up and show the message like without the pop-up and then redirect to this. Or
based on what you just said, I believe the easiest is showing the alert, because what is the flow? What's the cycle? Right now, when you click let us know, we send a comment and we refresh the page, and the new page checks if show alerts or not. We can do differently, not getting the new page, but in the same page, when you click let us know, it shows the alert and then redirects and then sends the comment in the same page before changing. Like
the icon in the corner shows the pop-up, the drop down.
Yes, doing that with JavaScript something like this, Right now it's with JavaScript. ClojureScript is not merged yet. Because that this is the thing. Our application has this, where is main.js?
It's in, yes.
Perfect. This is our main.js. So we could do something like, for example, this let us know has no ID. But if I say this ID is a let button, and if I go to sources, assets, and I do pretty similar to the dropdown, but not dropdown. I want only actually to get, sorry, I copied too much. I don't need all of this. I just need this. Something like button component is the let button. And I have something like button component won't add event listener. I can say that on click it receives a, no, this is Clojure. It receives a function. I think I can do an arrow function that alerts, hi. Let's see.
Iterate your work.
Yeah. Damn it. But maybe if I put directly in the here. Stopping the REPL. Okay, so let button. Let me close this. So my let button is my set button component. And we do, I just copy here just to make sure I'm not doing it wrong. Okay, add event listener like this. I don't, why passing false is the signal? Interesting. Okay, I don't know if I need this last. I believe not, but I can say my button component on click. It receives a function like let function. Sorry about the names. I'm not going to choose the best now. And let function is gonna be an arrow function that returns alert hi. I don't know if I need this false. I believe not. So I just leave here. Okay. And I will put this ID in the hiccup. Done view. This is the action button.
It's in the candidate view. Candidate view, yes.
Yeah, it gets from render page. This call to action. It's this button. Or yeah, I think this is this button, right? If button stage equals let us know. It's something like this. We change the action, but the yes. Sorry, but I'm thinking like this. If I just put the ID like this, it's gonna be the same ID for done and let us know.
We
And
can change it. We can put different ID based on let us know or done. Not, I mean, right now, yes, it will be the same, but we can change it. If it works, we can change it.
okay, so we can try like this. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Let me just see if core is okay. I don't know if I have changed something. But yeah, localhost 3030.
A hard reload. Control-Shift-R.
I
reload.
think I did.
All right.
No, it was the wrong. I mean, a new page. Now I did Control-Shift-R.
Where is that JavaScript going? Because won't the closure compiler overwrite it whenever you change a closure file?
Sorry. Can you? I get more attention. What's the question?
Where are you putting this JavaScript? Because won't the closure script compiler overwrite it?
Okay.
Should be automatically recompiling on every change. And if that's if you're directly editing the JavaScript, one of the JavaScript files that it builds, then it'll just get overwritten, I would have thought.
Yeah, I understood your question, but I think it's a little bit different, the framework. It's like this. At general, we don't have JavaScript. We don't have closure script. It's only a closure server that returns. Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah, it gets
rendering. Yeah.
Gets confused with Frankie style of.
Yeah, my bad. Sorry.
No problem. But yeah, that's the case. So now it's just JavaScript, but later this page is gonna be it have to be compiled, and it's gonna be different. I'm getting this. No, what's wrong here?
Put at the end at the X. It will say the problem. Yeah.
I think I know the problem. Just a sec. I want to find include CSS. Yes, this is the problem. I know. I have to change that later. The problem is that when you see JavaScript is included into in header, not with body. So it tries to run JavaScript with no body. So it says like, I can't find a button with this ID. What we need to do is removing this, and we need to call that after this body. And I have done that before, but I forgot now the syntax. I don't remember if just it's okay if I check in documentation.
Yeah, sure, for sure.
Maybe source. I think source. It's not href, it's source. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Awesome. So this is the file you want to work on. Force refresh. Okay, it's not an error anymore. So, okay, let's see if it shows up. Hi, awesome.
Okay,
And after that,
we stay.
it does its job.
See again the comment in Frankie, just to be sure.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. 10:57.
Okay, perfect.
Change the button now, right? The last thing.
To give this ID only if
When the button stage is, let us know.
yes. I think I can do this.
Yes.
Inside this class, I can do when this. It kind of bores me. It's the same. I want to bind to something, like. But okay, maybe later. When this, so we got an ID of let button.
Moment.
No. Almost, but it's not wrong. It's not correct. I need to. We have a map, and I want to add this key with certain condition.
That's a way, but other way is adding always the ID and changing according to the button. I mean, you can assoc a map. It's good also, but you can always give an ID to this button.
What do you think about this?
Exactly, and not yes, exactly. Take up, yeah, exactly. Good.
And I otherwise then button.
That's it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Let's see how it goes now.
Okay.
Okay,
So
we
you expect now, right? The ID of the button.
Yeah, let's just check it. ID let button. Awesome. We have 11 o'clock. Hi. Redirects. And if you have a message on 11 o'clock. Awesome. Awesome. And if we move wheel from propose cooperation, I think it's a done button.
Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay, maybe wait a minute.
Reload. Sometimes it's less than a minute. Ah. Not
Okay.
this time.
No, not this time. Not this time, buddy. Okay. Keep refreshing. And this done. The ID.
Is the button.
Yeah, some mistake here. The ID should be different.
Can you reload the system just in case? No, not in the. Oh, yeah. Restart system. Evaluate the last form. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
It's
Yeah.
done.
Perfect. It works.
Yeah, I think it makes sense. Okay, awesome. And if you click done.
Perfect. It looks very good now. Can we change the message? Instead of hi, we will review it into 3 days and.
Sure. Okay, perfect. I will change that. Oops. Resources here. Okay. So instead of hi, I want to give this yeah, that's the thing. I don't know if I reload if you get the new version, but you can try, right?
Yeah, for sure. It takes a file. It doesn't. Yeah, the file is there. Just.
Yeah, awesome. So if I click let us know, thank you, check information, notify you. And if you get a little more, 1103, 1103. Awesome. We did it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm happy. That's awesome. Okay, what do we do now?
Well, if that's job done, I'm just going to stop the recording.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notification on future videos. Till next time, peace.